everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. So today I have another PR package from Born Pretty. They asked if I'd like to try another one of their kits, so I said of course. I love the kit that I got to try last time. It was the jelly, the nude jelly polishes, and I did some strawberry nails, so those were fun and I absolutely love them. And this is the neon collection. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try that. I've seen other people open it and oh, I just couldn't wait. So I'm so excited because I have all those rhinestones and stuff that I've been wanting to use. But look at that packaging. I love it. It's so pretty. It's just real sleek and real clean looking. So here they are. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. Oh, I just love it. I haven't even like looked at them yet, just from the bottle, and I already love them. But this is just a little pamphlet here that tells you how to apply the polishes, how to prep your nails, you know, all that good stuff there that you can go ahead and look at. And that one says how to apply a magnetic nail, which I think they're meaning the polish, so that's cool. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and get all the polishes out, and these are the 6 colors here. And this is the bright green one. This is MC01. And look at that green. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so bright, like the perfect neon green. So I'm gonna go ahead and show the colors and then do the swatches, you know, too, just to get it all kind of done at the same time. So I did go in on all the swatch sticks and use the Madam Glam base coat. These are just so pretty. They went on so smooth and just, oh, they were so nice to work with. I absolutely love Born Pretty's polishes. But yeah, of course, I think I do about two or three coats of that green because it was kind of a jelly, you know, kind of a jellyish color. This is the yellow here. This is the MC02. And this one is absolutely gorgeous. It's like that neon, that highlighter yellow. So pretty. I just love neon colors for the summertime. And then we have this beautiful orange. This is the MC03. Oh, look at this orange. It's so pretty. Oh, I just absolutely love these. And the next one is this beautiful hot pink. It's MC04. This one was very pigmented. It wasn't really jelly at all. I think I did about 2 coats of that pink. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. Beautiful. And then this is a blue. It's MC05. I was a little bit surprised of the blue. It's a beautiful blue. Absolutely gorgeous. But I just was kind of thinking like an electric, you know, that really dark electric blue. But this was still really, really pretty. I didn't end up using this one or the purple one in the set today, but I will definitely be using those in another set. This is the purple, the MC06. So yeah, it's a beautiful purple, like a kind of a lavender purple, but it has like a pink to it. I don't know, it's a real pretty, real beautiful purple. But yeah, it's not really like, I wouldn't really consider it like a neon, but it's still gorgeous. So yeah, like I said, I can't wait to use those. And here's all the colors here. So yeah, the pink, the blue, and the purple I did 1 coat, and then the green, yellow, and orange I did do two coats, and then the green I did do 3. But yeah, I'm gonna use the 4 neon colors there, and then I'm using the Born Pretty tips. I got these in a kit with that 6-in-1 nail glue, so I'm using the ones there. They're like extra long coffin. And then I'm going to use the 6-in-1 nail glue here. That's from Born Pretty. And I'm going to be using these starbursts, or like kind of holographic. And then these different kinds of neon rhinestones. I showed those in a haul video a couple videos back, so I'm just deciding which ones I'm going to use. But I am going to apply the tips with that 6-in-1. So I just apply a little bit of that to the tip and just kind of brush it up a little bit. And then I'm going to angle that at the cuticle and press that down and then flash cure that for a few seconds. And then after I applied all the tips, I went ahead and cured for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this Madam Glam base coat to all the nails, and then I'll cure that for 30 seconds. So on the pinky and the thumb, I'm going to go in with the green color here, and like I said, I did go in with 3 coats of the green. And then on the ring finger, I'm going in with that yellow. It's so pretty. And then on the middle finger, I go in with the orange. And then for the index finger, I go in with the pink. Really, really love this pink. It's gorgeous. And so I did go ahead and cure that each coat for 60 seconds. And then now I'm going to go in with the Madam Glam top coat. I'm just going to top coat all the nails and then cure that for 30 seconds. I love these colors. Oh, they're just gorgeous. So bright and pretty. Absolutely love them. So now I'm going in. I forgot to record the pinky finger, but I'm just taking those holographic little starbursts, and I'm just putting those on the end of each nail. And then here I'm just kind of deciding what I want to put, put first, what order I'm gonna do all the rhinestones in. Some of the rhinestones, you'll see like the moon-shaped ones were a lot lighter in color than the other ones. Some of them were really bright, and then yeah, a couple like the orange and the green were really light. But I mean, it still came out cute. So yeah, here I'll just be placing the McCart rhinestone glue, and then I'll just be placing the rhinestones here. Alright, so yeah, this is what I'm talking about. The orange is a little bit lighter than the rest of them. It's so weird, but I mean, it still looked cute. It still came out cute. These were so fun to do, you guys. I just love the bright neon colors. So yeah, we're like in between the, not in between, but on the sides of where the two bigger charms come together. I just put two little rhinestones on the outside. I just thought it looked cute. It added like a different little touch to it. And then this pink one too is a little bit lighter. It's so weird. I don't know why. It kind of made me mad, but it still looks cute. So I didn't show much of the green, the thumb, just because I already did. Basically, they're all the same pattern. And so yeah, you can see that green moon too is a little bit lighter. So now I'm just taking a little bit of top coat and just going around the rhinestones there to secure them and just to make everything look smooth. And then I also seal in those stickers. And so now I'm just applying my cuticle oil, of course. Gotta nourish those cuticles. Alright, and this is the finished set here. I thought they came out really pretty and super cute. I'll take some video out in the sunlight and some pictures in the sun. Thank you so much again to Born Pretty. I really appreciate you know, the opportunity that you've given me to try your products. I absolutely love these polishes. You guys go ahead and check them out. I'll leave everything linked down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.